Hey everyone, I'm Realtor Josh Kepkay with Macdonald Realty and Vancouver Real Estate Today, here with your monthly market update for March 2021. We're looking back at the numbers from February. So in Greater Vancouver, the detached sales are up a whopping 82% year over year. Not the strongest year ever, but considering that a typical detached house is now $1.6 million in Greater Vancouver, this is increasingly becoming a luxury product. Don't believe me? Well, detached homes for sale in Vancouver right now under $2 million is at its lowest level inventory ever. Intense bidding wars are plaguing the single-family detached market. In February, 43% of all single-family detached homes sold over their original asking price. Now, granted, some realtors are intentionally listing homes a bit lower, but you don't choose that pricing strategy if you're not confident that the market is hot enough to garner multiple offers, and clearly it is. Bidding wars create rapidly rising prices, and so we have seen detached prices up 13% year over year. However, this benchmark price number that we're using is a lagging indicator, so don't be surprised if we see this hit 20% in the months ahead. The condo market. Well, Greater Vancouver condo sales remain strong despite media narratives suggesting otherwise. Condo sales in February were just slightly below 2016 record highs. We are seeing a fundamental shift in the condo market recently. At the onset of the pandemic, we were seeing more investors looking to sell and free up cash. Today, we are seeing an increasing number of investors jump back into the market. Demand is now outpacing supply, with the sales to active ratio the highest it's been since early 2018. There is further evidence of this when we start to look at the months of inventory for sale. Months of inventory has always been the best indicator of future price swings. Months of inventory for sale in the condo market now sits at just 2.4 months of inventory for sale. So for now, price growth remains relatively flat, and it's up just 2.5% this year over last year. However, with months of inventory below 3%, we're seeing multiple offers once again, and investors are looking past the weakness in the rental market and focused on the rapid increases in the detached and the townhome markets, and anticipating something similar could be due for the condo market. I tend to agree, as long as the fixed interest rate on mortgages, the fixed mortgage interest rate stays below 2.5%. So work from home, work from anywhere really. The much talked about suburban housing boom is continuing as people relocate during the pandemic. According to Stats Canada, 25% of the labor force is now working remote. So whether or not this will continue after the pandemic remains to be seen. However, the recent migration away from the city core suggests that people either are considering this move to be permanent, or they're thinking of a hybrid model where commuting every day is a thing of the past. So for this reason, sales growth remains the strongest in the suburbs. As a result, we're also seeing the price growth in the suburbs grossly outpace the growth closer to the city. The city of Vancouver remains the laggard. This could have long-lasting effects as people migrate for affordability reasons, particularly the younger buyers. The suburban housing boom is alive and well. The question now becomes, has the pandemic and technology fundamentally shifted our housing preferences, or is this migration overhyped? What do you think? Put your questions, put your comments below. Reach out to me in a DM if you yourself are looking to list your property for sale, or you're thinking about jumping into this crazy market that we call real estate in the Lower Mainland. Reach out to me. I'm Realtor Josh Kepkay with Macdonald Realty and VancouverRealEstateToday.ca. You can get me at 604-313-9805 or sold@joshkepkay.ca. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at joshkepkay.ca. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff to this video wherever you're watching it. Check us out on YouTube, Vancouver Real Estate Today, on Facebook by the same name, and I'm always happy to entertain your questions, your inquiries, and just share some insight about the market. So please don't feel shy to reach out. So Thanks for watching, and bye for now.